kiddos, it's cooking time.
What are we making today?
We are making something brown with some white ingredients.
What? But how? With magic?
No, it's called baking. We are baking scones today. What is white and very sweet?
Sugar is white and it's very sweet.
What is white, creamy and made of milk?
Cream is white and it's made of milk.
What is used to make bread and noodles?
Flour is white and it's used to make bread and noodles.
What is white and used for baking bread?
Baking powder is used for baking bread.
What is white and very salty?
Salt is white and it's very salty.
What is white and comes from cows?
Milk is white and it comes from cows.
We're making yummy scones.
We're making yummy scones.
We're making yummy scones. We're making yummy scones. Yummy scones. Dry ingredients in the bowl.
Flour, sugar, baking powder and salt.
Gentle stir with a spoon.
Stir, stir. Give it a gentle stir.
Pour the fresh cream into the bowl.
Mix, mix. Give it a mix.
Mixture into a plastic bag.
Press, press, press. Squeeze.
Now that we have dough, what do?
Let's sprinkle some flour and knead the dough.
Okay. Let's knead the dough.
Press, push.
Knead the dough.
Press, push.
Knead the dough. Press, push. Press, press, push.
Cut, cut.
Cut the dough. Cut. Yummy scones. Okay. We're almost done here.
Spread out the cut pieces on the baking sheet.
Spread it out like this?
Yes.
Okay, then what?
Now we brush the milk on each piece.
Brush. It's ready to bake in the oven.
It smells delicious.
Give me some milk, please. Yummy scones.